In the world of Audi premium SUVs, the Q8 nameplate has long stood as a symbol of luxury and supreme performance. Its sporty design, generous dimensions, and unmistakable status, Audi's flagship crossover. But quietly, Audi is preparing something much larger, more luxurious, and more ambitious: the Audi Q9. As soon as you see the prototype silhouette, it's clear that the Q9 isn't just a big-up Q7. It features Audi's new, smoother, rounded design language, giving it a modern yet elegant feel. Interestingly, its design inspiration actually seems similar to the latest generation Q3. The front end features Audi's signature double-layer headlight design, complete with a large single-frame grille that now visually blends with the headlights through black accents around it. The result gives the Q9 a bold and futuristic look. On the side, there's a rather surprising detail. Previously, various Audi Q9 test cars have featured hidden door handles, akin to the Ford Mustang Mach-E, that blend into the window line. However, on the latest prototype, Audi has reverted to conventional door handles. This decision may seem simple, but it likely reflects Audi's desire to maintain a classic premium feel that's more practical and elegant than extreme design trends. Moving to the rear, the Audi's distinctive character is even more pronounced. The taillights are curved with a fang design reminiscent of the latest Audi Q3 and the new generation A6 family. Most uniquely, the license plate holder has been moved to the bumper, giving the rear trunk area a cleaner and more luxurious look. While Audi hasn't revealed official specifications, many speculate the Q9 will come with the most comprehensive engine options in the Audi SUV family. These range from 6-cylinder gasoline and diesel engines to high-performance V8s and modern plug-in hybrid technology. If you look at the current Q7 facelift as a reference, Audi already has a very strong engine base. The Audi Q7 itself comes with several attractive options: a 3.0-liter V6 gasoline engine with 340 horsepower in the 55 TFSI variant, up to a 4.0-liter V8 with 507 horsepower in the SQ7. For diesel enthusiasts, there are also the 45 TDI with 231 horsepower and the 50 TDI with 286 horsepower. All V6 variants are equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which improves efficiency while also providing a smoother ride. However, the Audi Q9 is predicted to go further than that. This car appears to be aiming not only to be Audi's largest SUV, but also to become a new symbol of modern luxury. It's more luxurious than the Q7, more exclusive than the Q8, and will likely be a serious challenger to flagship SUVs like the BMW X7 and Mercedes-Benz GLS. If all these predictions are correct, the Audi Q9 won't just be a new addition to the lineup, it'll be the beginning of a new era for Audi's flagship SUVs.